Here is the Amazon. Strange animals and birds, strange lakes and rivers. High towering trees and beautiful places that are difficult to see in another place. Rocks since thousands of years. Carved paths as if a human had carved them. Predators and pets. Vast greenery covers the place. Stunning views. High mountains. Big mountains. Also waterfalls. Fresh water suitable for drinking. Caves. Today we will tell you information you did not know before. But please appreciate our tiredness and press the like button and subscribe to the channel so that everything new reaches you. First, the area of the Amazon. It is said that its area is about 5.6 million square kilometers. To put it more clearly, the Amazon is so vast that it covers parts of 9 countries in South America, the largest of which is Brazil, followed by Peru and Colombia. Secondly, biodiversity. The Amazon includes things. For 1 out of every 10 species existing on Earth. It is said to contain about 2.6 million species of insects that are rarely found anywhere else. As I told you, it includes thousands of species of birds and others, such as mammals, that are not found in other places. Do you know what the pink dolphin is and the leopard called the anchor? Thirdly, the Amazon River. Who among us does not love this river? It is the second longest river in the world. The Amazon River is about 6,400 kilometers long. According to most scientists, dusk, the magical underscore moment when the sun disappears below. In the Amazon, dusk is the time when nocturnal creatures begin to wake up. The forest sounds change as the birds go to sleep and the predators start their hunt. He possesses Distrongestbite, among all big cats on Earth. His jaws are powerful enough to pierce the thick shells of turtles and even caimans. With one precise and fatal blow, he can end the life of the prey. Contemplate these towering trees. They are not just plants, but green pillars, some spanning hundreds of years. Forest is covered by a canopy so dense that sunlight fights fiercely to reach the ground. Leaving the forest floor below, drowned in a permanent dusk and a silence that precedes the storm. The animals and dominance. In the midst of this incredible diversity, creatures move with caution, from colorful birds decorating the sky to the Yunka jaguar who watches the scene with piercing eyes. The Amazon, a world of beauty and ferocity, a world that always reminds us how small we are before the greatness of nature. In the Amazon, the struggle never ends. It is a constant war for light and life. The Amazon is not just trees and animals. It is a home to tribes that have never seen the modern world. They live in perfect harmony with nature, knowing the secrets of every leaf and every sound in the jungle. But the greatest predator of all is not an animal. It is the human hand. In this forest, even the plants have ears and eyes. The boiling river, a geological wonder where temperatures reach nearly 100 degrees Celsius. The Amazon is a book with 1 billion pages, and we have only read the first few. Every time we think we know its secrets, it surprises us with a new mystery. The forest is not just a place, it is a sacred temple of life. Look at the harmony of the colors and the masterpiece that nature has painted. Every leaf tells a story of survival, and every breeze carries the scent of ancient wisdom. In the forest, the soul finds its peace, and the heart hears the whispers of the universe. Blessed is this green kingdom that gives us breath and teaches us the meaning of eternity. The forest is the earth's greatest poem, written in the language of leaves and light. It is the mother of all beginnings, the cradle that sheltered life before time was even known. Look at those majestic trees. They are the elders of the world, standing tall as witnesses to history. In the forest, every breath you take is a gift, a pure essence offered by the green giants to the world. They do not speak, yet their silence is full of wisdom, and their roots hold the secrets of the deep earth. Glory to the forest, the sovereign kingdom where beauty is the only law, and peace is the only king. It is the sanctuary for the tired soul, and the mirror that reflects the magnificence of the Creator. It is the place where time stops, and the heart remembers its ancient connection to the wild. Long live the forest, the pulse of our planet, and the guardian of our future. It is the source of all colors, from the deepest emerald to the brightest gold of the sunset. To walk among its trees is to walk through the pages of an unwritten book of wonders. The forest is the body, and the river is the soul that flows within it. Look how the trees lean towards him, as if they are bowing in respect to the King of Currents. The forest protects the river, and the river feeds the forest, a sacred pact that has lasted for millions of years. In his depths, there is a world of wonder, and on his surface, the stars dance every night. He is the ancient who has seen the birth of trees and the secrets of the mountains. Without the forest, the river would lose its soul, and without the river, the forest would lose its life. It is a world where silence speaks, and where the flow of water tells the story of life's beginning. Glory to this eternal bond, the masterpiece of the wild. The river is the master of time. It moves forward, never looking back, carving history into the earth. The forest stands like a loyal guard, wrapping its green arms around the river to keep its secrets safe. The snakes of the Amazon, silent, patient, and incredibly deadly. The green anaconda. She is the undisputed queen of the swamps, the heaviest snake known to man. Does not kill. Venom, but with a crushing embrace that stops the heart in seconds. The emerald tree boa. waiting in silence, a beautiful nightmare for any bird that flies too close. Deep in the dry leaves hides the Bushmaster, the longest venomous snake in the Americas. We have seen the towering trees that touch the sky, and the dense canopy that hides the world in a permanent dusk. We spoke of the great river, that silver artery that gives life to the green lungs of our planet. We felt the power of the guardian of the forest, the jaguar, whose strike is like a hydraulic press and whose courage knows no bounds. We crawled through the shadows with the silent snakes, from the crushing power of the anaconda to the lethal venom of the Bushmaster. This world, where every leaf is a story and every drop of water is a miracle, reminds us of the delicate balance of life. The Amazon is not just a forest, it is a message from nature, a testament to greatness, ferocity, and divine beauty. As the sun sets over the emerald horizon, we leave this kingdom as we found it, majestic, mysterious, and eternal. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. Until we meet again in another world of wonders.